Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Just want to make a quick one for you guys. We're gonna clear out the chart and reevaluate what's been going on. I know I haven't made a video in about a month, but I just simply been waiting, and it looks like something is about to happen on, pretty soon within this next week. So you guys got to be paying close attention to what's been going on, right? This is all the old stuff from the old chart, right? And what I'm gonna do is completely erase everything, right? So I'm gonna get rid of the exponential moving averages, everything. Why am I getting rid of the Fibonacci and everything that I had set previously from July 12th, right? Because now it is invalid and now we have a new Fibonacci that we're gonna draw up. So let's just erase everything. And I still believe we're gonna go down, but I just want to show you guys why. Right. So we're gonna make this quick, you know, just I wish I could highlight everything and just delete everything, but if you guys do see there, right, I did mention that we're within this range of the 22,000 to 18,000, 20,000 range, right? And I'm gonna just keep those two Fibonacci's, right? Or those two trending lines, support and resistance. It's Here are these green lines that I had made before. So, so there we go, right? Blank chart. So now our new Fibonacci extension, right? We're going to draw it straight from the low. This is on the weekly chart, right? So from the low to the high, and that's what we're playing with now, right? Let's make sure I get this. Stop. My mouse is really fidgety. Right from the low to the high, and this is where we're currently at, right? So you guys can see kind of where we're going and how we're going to play out, right? Let me go back to the daily, right? So you could straight out tell that there's a clear bear flag forming again. Once again, a clear bear flag is forming. So I do believe this is for the weekly, guys, right? So we might rise up for the next week and a half, go up, and then crash extraordinarily down. Like we're gonna crash hard, right? So why do I say these, right? So again, we're gonna go back to the daily chart and look at where we're at the daily chart, right? We keep testing, retesting. We can't break out of this zone right here, out of the zero golden pocket area, right? Retested once after falling back down. Oh, technically twice, right? 1, 2, 3, and then right here. This might look like a bottom, right? But it's actually a lower low. It made a lower low from our previous low back here a few weeks ago. And then just two, like I said, we are gonna rise. So look at this, the stochastic RSI and the slow RSI have a lot of room to grow. That's what I said. This is gonna take out a couple weeks, but I want to show you guys where's it gonna go to. We're gonna hit the 0.618 around that area, and then hopefully crush down. If we do break above this area here, I do believe we might retest the 22,000 area, but we will not go over the 22,000 area, right? So if you want more confirmation on this, here we go, right? What have I been preaching this entire time? 55-day exponential moving averages, right? We have not broken above the 55-day exponential moving average. If you guys want to take it back, rewatch previous videos. I'll show you guys about the 55-day EMA. So look at where it lines up to, right? It lines up to 20,000, the 0.618, 0.65 golden pocket area, which I have a feeling we might go up here for a day or two and then come back down, exactly how previously shown, right? If you go back to the other videos, it also shows 55-day exponential moving average, getting rejected. So, this time I do think this is it. Like, we're gonna break down below and go into a new trading zone. But for now, we just have to wait it out. So there is going to be a little small bull run, but don't get trapped. Don't get psyched out. Know what's going on. If we do pump, I do probably see us pumping to the 22,000, but that's extremely, like, I don't think that's going to happen. I just maximum I think we'll go is probably 21,000 before we get rejected. Um, as you guys know, Bollinger Bands are squeezing, and every time as the Bollinger Bands keep getting closer and closer, so it means something is going to happen. I do think this is going to be a false breakout, but if we do break out and hold up above this 0.5 area, we hold and bounce above the 0.618 Fibonacci extension, then we might retest the 200-day exponential moving average, which is around 26,000. But again, that is a very low possibility. And to me, the probability is that we are going to climb up here around the 22,000 area before we get really rejected and crash. Like, we're going to go back down. Let me go back down to a weekly chart. And on the weekly chart, you guys can clearly see that our 55-day exponential moving average on the weekly coincides with the 8 weekly exponential moving average. So we can see here, right? If we go over here, we made a lower low by a few $100s, which still classifies as a lower low. So there's no way that we're gonna break above unless we make a higher high, which a higher high would have to be 20,500. But I do believe we might go a little bit higher this time to around 21,000. But don't get psyched out again. I do believe we're going to get rejected from the 8 exponential moving average unless this week closes, above. It has to close above the 8 exponential moving average, which we haven't broken above. So if we close above the EMA on the weekly, then I do show signs of good support. But as you guys can see here, our stochastic RSI on the weekly is kind of oversold, right? And that moves a lot faster, right? So it's supposed to be more faster moving, and as you guys can see, it's pretty high. So I do believe that the downtrend is coming, and it's coming hard. So you guys just be aware, right? This is not financial advice. This is just strictly, uh, looking out for the homies and shit. So stay tuned. Sorry I haven't made a video, but I thought I should update you guys. And I just simply been patiently waiting. I have not been trading, right? Like, this whole entire time, I've just been getting in my zones. I've been looking at the charts, setting up my trades, right? Because this is a setup, right? Once it hits, right, 21,000, I'm going to place my short, set a stop loss for 21.5, and then just ride the short down, right? Plain as simple as that. Like, nothing fucking crazy, right? I could kind of write it up right now, but I don't want to take the risk. So I'm going to just wait, right? Wait. Be patient and wait. So look at that 4 hour right above the 200 exponential moving average on the 200 on the 4 hour, but that looks very oversold. But again, that's my plan. Hope you guys let me know what you guys think. Have a good one and peace out.